Hello everyone and welcome back to SoCalerific. Today we are back here at Knott's Merry Farm. Merry Farm is just around the corner, so I wanted to come and just see some of the decorations that have been put up. So we're gonna walk around and just see what they have. So come along and let's go. As you can see, as soon as you walk in the park, they have started to decorate for Merry Farm. I love that during every festival, they actually decorate this section just because when you walk in, it's like boom, like the celebration has begun. And I love Merry Farm and I'm super excited. I cannot wait. But so far it is looking so beautiful. The Camp Snoopy store is already transforming for the holidays. They are not finished yet, but they are definitely starting to get in the holiday spirit. So coming to the Camp Snoopy Theater, there will be a new Christmas show, and as you can see, they are working on the stage already. It will be called Best Wishes. We'll definitely be checking it out when Merry Farm begins. Also in Ghost Town, they have started putting up some wreaths. Of course, there will be more. This is just the beginning, but it is looking so festive. And as you walk through Ghost Town or the different areas, you can see the Christmas lights are already going up on top of the shops. Even Sad Eye Joe is getting in the holiday spirit with some lights. So here at the Wilderness Dance Hall during Merry Farm, it actually turns into Santa's cabin. So here at Santa Claus cabin is where you could find Santa Claus himself. You could come take a picture with him. If you come during the week, the line is actually not too bad. So he will be in here. Also, you could find some delicious treats. This is where I love to come and get the milk and cookies. So good. It's like our family tradition, but they have like a ton of other desserts as well. So if you come to Merry Farm, you need to stop by Santa's cabin. It is such a must-do. It's so festive in there. So make sure to come meet Santa and have a good sweet dessert. So across from Santa's cabin, they actually have Mrs. Claus's kitchen, and here is usually where you could decorate some sort of cookie. Such a nice little time. I hope they do that again this year, and we definitely will be checking it out. As I showed you last time, the new facades look completed, and now they have some Christmas lights on top. So every inch of this park gets decorated for Merry Farm. Okay, for lunch, we decided to stop by the Prop Shop Pizzeria, but today we're not getting pizza. We're gonna try something a little different, and we're gonna get the chicken Alfredo pasta. I have yet to try it, so I'll let you know if it's good. And I gotta say, I did enjoy it. I wasn't sure if I was gonna like it, but I did. The pasta was cooked nicely, the flavor was there. I added a little red pepper just to give it a little spice, but it was delicious. I do recommend it. So during Merry Farm, they have tons of entertainment, and one of the most popular shows here is the Snoopy on Ice show. This year is its 40th anniversary, and it is a brand new show. That show gets very popular. You have to get in line super early. So last year we didn't do it, but hopefully, fingers crossed, we get to see it this year. I was hoping here at the Walter Knott Theater they were gonna have some art just representing, but as of now they don't have anything. Here at Knott's Berry Tales, they have like a boysenberry purple theme going on. Now let's go look at this little boysenberry tree, because this is super adorable. And look how nice it looks. And we even have the boysenberry car with a little wreath as well. Outside of Cordy's Corner is decorated, but again, the windows are not Christmas themed yet, but I did see that there was a Christmas tree, so let's go take a look. Look at this Christmas tree. Look how beautiful it is. It has beautiful flowers, so detailed. It's like a little winter wonderland. And they have some things that you could buy for your tree as well. A lot of like silver crystals. Let's see like how much something's going for. $6.99. Not bad. Let's see. $3.99. So the ornaments aren't that bad, and they're really pretty. Like, I know my camera is not doing it justice, but when you see it in person, just this tree is just so beautiful. Something I haven't seen here in Cordy's Corner yet is this new Squishmallow. We got Charlie Brown, and look how adorable he looks. I hope they get more characters. Looks like the fountain is also being decorated. Last year they actually didn't decorate it, and usually it's more like a winter wonderland, and it looks like they went with the new theme. It looks nice. I wonder how it's gonna look at night. I'm sure it'll look beautiful all lit up, but I am glad they decorated it this year. It's always such a good photo op. Everyone comes and takes their photo. And Johnny Rockets has its own theme too. I'm telling you, look how festive this park is. They even have a little rocket reef and their little tree. And again, the park is not finished. They are still putting more decorations, but just everything is just so decorated nicely. They're currently working on the set for this show. Like I said, Knott's entertainment is so good. You don't miss out on this show either during the holidays. It's like a whole production. Got a bunch of dancers. It's like a must watch here during Merry Farm. But yeah, they're working on the stage currently, but let me tell you, it is a really good show. There is no tree as of yet. This is where the big Christmas tree goes, but right now it is not here. I'm sure they'll be bringing it in fairly soon. It is a beautiful tree, but it has not arrived. We have some more decorations over here. Another good little photo op. Looks so nice. So you come sit with these guys and take a little photo with a nice little backdrop. So one of our favorite parts of Merry Farm is the snow and glow. You could stand all through Ghost Town, and let me tell you, it snows. Well, like snow. They pump a crazy amount of like snow, and it just feels so like magical. Definitely do not miss the snow like in Ghost Town. Such a great part of Merry Farm. All right, we are making our way down to the boardwalk, and I'm going to show you some of the decorations because they have decorations unique to the boardwalk. They look so nice. First up, we got the little Christmas tree made out of surfboards here on top of the boardwalk shop. Here's a look at some of the Christmas trees they have on the boardwalk. They also have some more right over there. Some more Christmas trees here by Wipeout. Some of the attractions have a reef, but look at Coasters. Coasters is also getting in the holiday spirit. As always, they have their own little Christmas trees on top and also some large Christmas lights. Here at the boardwalk, it looks as though the games already have some holiday themed squishmallows. Let's go take a look. So cute. So now you could already win some holiday themed squishmallows. They have the smaller prizes and the larger prizes as well. They have some more squishmallow prizes and a large candy cane. Look at that. That looks so cool. Looks as though Fiesta Village is all closed now. The refurbishment has started and you cannot even enter Fiesta Village as of now. So if you're looking forward to those rides are not in operation since Fiesta Village is getting a whole remodel. Alright, so yes, Fiesta Village has been blocked off from all angles. I don't know if they're gonna open it like section by section eventually. I wanted to see what every entrance of Fiesta Village looks like. So again, it is closed. But let's see what we could see from this angle. Looks like they will be working on the pavement. Do we see any progress back there of anything? Not too much. It looks like they have some like wooden walls that went up, but I can't see too much from here. Right, the Huff and Puff route is decorated for the holidays. We got this huge teddy bear. Look how adorable he looks. Also right here, it's a little candy cane lane. A bunch of candy canes. I wonder if they're gonna add some more decorations to go along with it. But I like it. And of course, during Merry Farm, Camp Snoopy always looks so nice. They have lights all over. They always decorate this middle section. All right, to end our day here at Knott's Berry Farm, we were craving a funnel cake. And if you haven't had a funnel cake from Knott's Berry Farm, you must grab one. We got the funnel cake with one topping, which we go with boysenberry. It is so delicious. All right, everyone, so I hope you enjoyed our little tour of Knott's Berry Farm, just to look at all the Merry Farm decorations. Remember, Knott's Berry Farm is starting November 18th, which is next Friday, so we'll definitely be covering that. Just give you a little guide just to show you what they have to offer, so stay tuned for that video. But for now, don't forget to hit that notification bell, hit that subscribe button, because we're gonna have more videos coming soon. Until next time, bye guys.